Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to be reviewing / already unboxed the 30 litre compressor cool box from Halfords. This is quite a revolutionary product. Most compressor cool boxes or fridges or freezers for that matter well over £400. So this is a 240 and 12 volt and 24 volt system that can cool down to minus 22 degrees with temperature controller, all digital displays, and this is going to replace my absorption fridge in my camper van, purely because compressor fridges take 15 to 30 minutes to cool down to freezing, and they just don't use as much power consumption from the van. So in the top here obviously was the fridge with some basic instructions. Place it on the fridge. I did buy a mains adapter as well, so I can run it off 240, which I'll show you right now. So this is just the mains adapter. There's a 240 plug, mains adapter. There's a little power brick, and then straight into the wall. Don't think there's anything else in the box actually saying that. No, just polystyrene. Then it also comes with this little booklet here. So the actual fridge has got a 3-stage battery protector inside it. It's got 2 modes. It's got eco mode, and it's got just a normal mode. So you've got error codes here that can be shown. So we've got the cool box working mode setting, which is eco, and HH, which is full working mode. Didn't actually read anything else of any interest, just troubleshooting tips and stuff. So moving on to the actual cool box itself. So this is the unit. So loads of comments that I've seen on the one video that's actually on YouTube about this is how tall is it? So we'll be covering that now. So it's 125. So it's 425 tall. The width is 575, and the depth is 320. That's a very silent running machine. These are the ports for the compressor to breathe. The compressor's in there somewhere. So it's got a handle there. It's also got travel extension handle there. And on this side, just got a little handle there. Very nice sleek design. So the actual main control panel here, you've got your on-off switch, you've got your set switch, volume, up and down switch. So at the moment, as you see here, it's on minus 13 degrees. So it's set to minus 22. It can go all the way down to minus 22, or let's see how hot it actually goes. So it can go to 20 degrees. So at the moment I'm just doing a test to see how cold it will go and how long it takes to reach 22 degrees. At the moment it's only on 15 minutes. So it started off at ambient temperature of 26 degrees. So it's only taken a quarter of an hour to get to minus 13. So if we tap set again, this is eco or normal mode. So obviously eco lights up green, HH is normal mode. To power on and off the device is obviously that on off key there. So inside the unit it's got a clip shutter. So this is inside the unit, rubber sealed all the way around. We've got a lovely little area there for drinks, and then it's really cold in these gaps. Obviously these are fully removable, so if you don't want them you can take them out, and then obviously it gives you a big bit of storage in there. But yeah, this is the fridge. If you guys have got any comments or anything like that, then please let me know, and I will I'll endeavour to do my best to do a video for you. So that is the Halfords 30 litre compressor cool box. Slight unboxing and review. I'll post a video later on this week, just demonstrating it inside the camper van, and we'll see what sort of voltage pool this cool box has. But this will be replacing my absorption fridge, as it's so much more battery friendly and cools even quicker than my absorption fridge. So smash a like, comment and subscribe. Stay tuned, guys.